Today we're tackling a common issue, enabling or disabling the functions FN key on your Windows 10 or 11 laptop. If your function keys aren't working the way you want them to, stick around as we walk through how to fix this. Let's dive in. First things first, function key behavior can often be adjusted directly from the BIOS or UEFI settings. This is sometimes the most straightforward method. You can actually usually access the settings by pressing a specific key during setup, such as F2, ESC, DL, or F10. Check your laptop's manual or support site for the exact key. Once you're on the BIOS or UEFI settings, look for an option related to function key behavior, action keys mode, or something similar. Change the settings according to your performance preference, save the changes, and restart your laptop. Now, many laptops come with pre-installed software that allows you to customize keyboard settings. This is particularly true for brands like Dell, HP, and Lenovo. Open the manufacturer's software, look for applications like Dell Support Assist, HP Support Assistant, or Lenovo Vintage. Now navigate to the keyboard or function keys section. Here you might find options to toggle the FN key behavior. Adjust the settings according to your preference. For example, if you might find an option to toggle function key row, which changes the function keys work. Sometimes updating your keyboard drivers can solve function key issues. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand the keyboard section. Right-click on your keyboard device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will look and install any available updates which may resolve the issue. In some cases, you can use Windows settings to adjust how the function key works. Let's check if there are any relevant settings in Windows itself. Go to Settings. To do that, press Windows key plus I to open the settings window. Then go to Keyboard section. While there isn't a direct option for function keys there, ensuring filters keys is turned off can sometimes resolve keyboard related issues. And there you have it. This step should help you enable or disable your function keys and fix any issues you might be having.